If you think binge watching Home Under the Hammer qualifies you to buy at the property auction, you're about to buy yourself a decade of debt. Here's the reality check that the TV shows don't broadcast about the auction room floor. Welcome back. I see it all the time in the UK property game. Wide-eyed investor walking into an auction, catch a vibe, wave their paddle, and walking out with a financial nightmare. Property auction can be gold mines, but only if you know exactly what you are doing. Today, we're breaking down the full absolute non-negotiables you have to lock down before even thinking about placing a bid. Let's get straight into the deep end. Number one, diagnose the problem or keep your hands in your pocket. Properties usually end up at auction for a reason. Often, they are unmortgageable, structurally compromised, or legal headache. If you haven't worked out exactly why a property is under the hammer, please do not bid. This one piece of discipline will save you years of heartache. The streets of property refurb are paved with the broken dreams of the 80% who thought they were getting a fairy tale ending but end up with a nightmare. Know the defect before you buy the defect. 2. The refurbishment reality check. You need granular accuracy on two things: how much will the refurb cost and how long it will take. Because every single week you hold on to that property, it is eating into your capital. The fastest way to bleed out as an investor is poorly managed refurb. Not that the builders are bad, but if you don't give them specific brief, they will just go with the flow, and that flow goes straight out of your bank account. So if you don't know what you want, your guess is as good as theirs. This is exactly why your neighbor can spend £40,000 in a kitchen and you can achieve the exact same premium for £15,000. So you have to dictate the spec, or the spec would dictate you, and your pocket would know all about it. 3. Absolute clarity on the end price, or GDV. Don't be a busy fool. The amount of time I see investors enduring sleepless nights, making 50 panic trips to B&Q, or going 12 rounds with their contractor, only to refinance the property to zero profit. It's insane. Before you start ripping down walls, you need absolute certainty on your gross development value. If the profit margin is not baked into the end price, please walk away. 4. Return on time invested. What is your time actually worth? You must determine how much of your life you're willing to trade to bring a property up to standard. So let's do the maths. Let's say you pick up a derelict shell for £200,000 and you sink £40,000 into the refurbishment and all the holding costs. Your total spend £240,000. 5 months of absolute graft, and later you refinance it for £250,000 or sell it for £250,000. Congratulations, you've made £10,000. But wait, a perfectly good finished property on the exact same street is going for £250,000 on day one. You could have bought the finished one, bypass 5 months of profound stress, and you would have also banked 5 months of rental income. You effectively just worked 5 months hard labor for free. Well, except if you're doing it for the experience, but that is a bad business model. You must account for the opportunity cost of your time. Property investing is a calculated profession, not a hobby. Do the math, manage the builder, protect your time. And if this breakdown saved you from making a rookie bid at the auction, hit the like option, subscribe for a no-nonsense property strategy. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Catch you on the next one.